Hey everybody, on the blog I promised I would go over Zone 1 and tell you what's going on there. So this is supposed to be the kitchen garden. So what I'm working on is, these are things that we would grab for seasonings and stuff while we're cooking, so they're going closer to the house. That's kind of how Zone 1 works. So just getting things a little organized around here. Here we've got our 2 pots of Egyptian walking onions. I do need to go through these and clean them up and get them ready for the fall. Here we've got our green stalk, and it is full of little spinach seedlings. Still a little warm. Hopefully these won't bolt. I think my timing was probably a little early. We'll see. Over here is our lemongrass. Adding a peppermint here. Here's our rosemary. This is our cilantro and sage and the rue. And this is our basil that's going to seed. And next to this we've got our chocolate mint. Also, as a bonus here, this is our new sugar bed. I'll be harvesting that once it cools down, along with the other sugar over there. Got a little bit of cane that I had to harvest during the hurricanes that blew it down, so a little bit we might do special with that.
Hey everybody, Mike here. I just wanted to go over a few things with you. Obviously this is a new format for the videos. What I'm trying to do is break up the garden tours into 5 separate segments, and I will be able to skip segments that don't have anything going on, and kind of shorten those up and make them easier to view. So let me know what you like about the new format, what you dislike about it in the comments, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.